Hey guys, welcome back to the Stop Motion Master '07 channel. Today I am reviewing this Prime Connect smartphone tripod with mount adapter. Basically, if you haven't seen my videos already, I use a little basket to hold my phone. And sometimes it does this, or this, or this. So, I went out and bought something. Now let me just open it. Alright, I'm back. Kinda opened it, and now, seamless transition. Seamless. Oh. Alright, we're back again after the white screen seamless transition. Seamless transition. I present to you the tripod. And basically you're supposed to connect this to the top of this. Pause again. Alright guys, after a while, all I needed to do was just righty-tighty. It was not really that hard. It definitely didn't take me 3 minutes to do. And, flawless. And, this part right here, if you're wondering what it is, basically, hold on, let me get my crappy tripod so far. And, I mean the basket. This, right here, you pull with your 2 fingers, and it extends. Oh, whoa. And, you can basically just get your phone in here. Let me see if it works that good. Alright, so after a really good flawless transition, I don't have to use this anymore. So let's get a nice overhead view of Spidey. And if you're wondering what this action figure is, I got this off of Amazon from SH Figure Arts. Really recommend that you get this. It doesn't really stand up for me, but that's because I got one with a loose leg. And I lost all my eye accessories, well, pretty much all mine. And it comes with Iron Spider arms, but they are very sensitive. So, yeah, that'll be all. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment on the video, if you can, at least. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. What are you still doing here?